to a tutorial from Sarah Dawn's Designs. Today, you will be learning how to work 2x2 ribbing in the round on double pointed needles. To start, knit 2 stitches, then purl 2 stitches. Repeat this pattern of knit 2 and purl 2 for the entire length of the needle, making sure to bring your yarn to the back for the knit stitches and to the front for the purl stitches. When you reach the end of the needle, that needle will have no more stitches on it. Use it to work the stitches on the next needle, taking care to maintain the knit 2 purl 2 pattern. Snug up the working yarn between needles to help avoid gaps. Keep repeating this, needle by needle, as your work grows longer. After a few rounds, you can clip a stitch marker into your work to mark the beginning and end of your rounds. This is important so you know when to stop knitting, or to move on to the next step in the pattern. For working on double-pointed needles, I strongly suggest a locking stitch marker, like the lobster claw marker shown here. Hook the marker through the bars of yarn between the stitches to keep it in place. Your work will continue to get longer and longer, forming a knitted tube of ribbing. Don't forget to measure your work. For this pattern, we want 5 inches, or 12.7 centimeters of ribbing. So no, we're not there yet. And no, you don't usually need to be that exact with your measurements. If you worked this to 12.5 centimeters, you'd be fine. I usually round to the ½ centimeter in my designs. So, keep going until your work is the length you need it to be. Don't worry, the pattern will tell you. And on the off chance the pattern doesn't tell you, then you can make that call based on how long you want that part of your object to be. For example, in this pattern, the ribbing is the length of the boot topper that will go inside your boot. So you can adjust the length of the ribbing to fit your boot if you want to. And that's it! You've made the first part of your object. Stay tuned for the next video, where I will show you how to increase the stitches to make a cuff. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!